Secaucus. Secaucus Junction upper level passengers. The New Jersey Transit 756 outbound Northeast Corridor line to Trenton is expected to arrive on track B in approximately 6 minutes. Secaucus Junction upper level passengers. Now arriving on track B is the New Jersey Transit 752 outbound train to Jersey Avenue, making stops at Newark Penn Station, Newark Liberty Airport, North Elizabeth, Lincoln, Broadway, Metro Park, Hudson, Exton, New Brunswick, and Jersey Avenue. Please stand back from the yellow line and please watch the gap while boarding the train.